The Türkmen Building, State. I am building the nail of the earth, it will be always free. This is the Türkmen Building. If an enemy comes, its defenders will not spare their lives. Made of steel, the Türkmen Castle. Suleiman, Rustum, and Zal. Cemşit also begged for it. 100,000 armies of Shahs will attack it and cannot damage it. The mountains will learn the lesson from its troops' discipline. Each time, when he raises his saber, his strength increases. Teke, Yamut, Yazir, Göklen. Ahal people are together. Flowers will blossom if they campaign together. All Kizilbash are thrown out of mountains. They won't sleep at nights. One can hear their complain. If the hunter steps, he will have a success. Türkmen children will not be taken hostage. They have wise people enough to celebrate their holidays. They are noble. They have no open-hearted. Magtymguly also has no evil in his heart, as Almighty takes care of them with his blessings.